let's think of this operational amplifier connection, and we need to find V0 over V1. So V1 VI, V0 over VI, which is V input, is connected to the non-inverting input of operational amplifier, and there are two resistances. One is in the input circuit and other one is can be called feedback resistance R2. So the current that will flow, there won't be any current into the into the input terminals. We are assuming ideal operational amplifier. So the current that will flow will go in that direction. So not into the input terminals. So let's call the current to be I. So we have a voltage drop here, plus minus, and this one is plus minus. So if we look at the input circuit, then we can tell, applying a KVL, we can see that VI, so we are going in this direction, minus plus minus plus, so VI plus IR1 is equal to 0. So VI can be written as minus IR1. So this is our one equation. Let's call it equation 1. Then let's apply KVL in this whole loop. So this loop basically, so the loop that contains resistance R1, R2, and of course the output voltage V0. So if we do that, we have a drop IR1 plus drop IR2, and then we have another drop plus V0. So that's 0. So V0 is becoming now minus IR1 plus, sorry, minus IR1 minus IR2 basically, or we can write minus IR1 plus R2. So this is our other equation. Let's call it equation 2. So if we divide equation 2 by equation 1, we will get V not over VI, V input, and that will be, so basically minus I R1 plus R2 divided by minus I R1. So we have R1 plus R2 over R1, or we can write it like this. So this is this expression, this is the gain of this particular circuit, and this is called non-inverting amplifier for an op-amp, non-inverting op-amp amplifier basically. So we can see that the gain here is positive, though the value of the gain is, so the magnitude of the gain is basically R2 over R1 plus 1. Like in the non-inverting amplifier, it was minus R2 over R1. There was no plus 1 there, but the gain was negative. So that one was inverting amplifier. This one is called non-inverting amplifier. And this is of use. So we get a gain which is positive. So yeah.